Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks on your party box JBL Encore Essential. Let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install the application to allow a lot of features here. So first one is you have light mode. So you can swap, and right here it will be changing. So by default you have 5 mods here, and you can swap between them. Next one, you can manage this mod. So you can turn off some part of these lights or enable all of this, and you can change a color here. So you can choose the best one for you, let's say something like red, or you can enable color loop and it will change colors. Next one, you have bass boost. So you can enable it in the application or by this button on your party box. And right here you have 2 mods, so you can swap between them. Next one, you have DJ sound, so you can just play random sounds. Like let's test it with a horn. Oh, I guess I should increase the volume. And you have it. You have 9 of these mods here, and you can play all of this. See? That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.